With that, let's bring you the latest COVID-19 numbers now. Sadly, 64 people have died due to COVID-19 related illnesses in the last 24 hours. And that brings the country's total death toll to 93,278.
While the country recorded more than 4,500 new cases, the Western Cape is in the lead with over 1,000 new cases, and the rest of the country has fewer than 1,000. Gauteng has 977, KwaZulu-Natal has 944 cases. The Northern Cape has the least number of cases. It's recording 156 COVID-19 infections.
Now, the Western Cape Health Department administered more than 41,000 COVID-19 vaccines this week. It's also managed to get over 34,500 people vaccinated in the previous week. The department says more can be done to improve the vaccination status of young adults in the province.
I think we found that with the festive season, there was a slump and a drop in the number of people presenting at our vaccination sites. And we're obviously now starting to pick up the pace a little bit again as life returns back to normal. But you're quite right, I think more can be done. If we break down that numbers of people who have been vaccinated, we have about 54% of people in the Western Cape have received at least one dose, and around 47% of adults have received or are fully vaccinated. But if one breaks that down into categories, I think where more can be done are probably in the younger adult population. If we look at the 18 to 34-year-old group, for example, we find there that only 42% of those young adults have in fact been vaccinated. So there's still quite a bit of room to improve there, and particularly with the universities returning and the TVET colleges returning now back to normal, back to campuses. Our intention there is to work with our colleagues at the universities in order to improve the vaccination status of young adults.